Good morning guys, today we've got here VIVO X300 FE and let me show you how to boot developer options. So at first let's open the settings, then scroll down and go to system management, and as you can see there's no developer options panel. Let's go back and go to about phone now. Here you have to locate version info and open it. Now tap 7 times on software version right here, and after that you are a developer. So let's go back. Now let's reopen system management, and as you can see developer options appeared right here. Click to enroll and smoothly use them. Actually you have to use this indicator again, and now you can smoothly use them. So that's it, this would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.